This is mind-blowing, guys. Watch this video. This video is going to be on rainbow, and when I say rainbow, it is rainbow 2+. See, there is a strategy I came up with, and it uses a particular color to go over and again. So these colors I'm using, following the pattern, it has given me two colors, the color green and the color blue. As you can see, I'm making the first stake, which is the color green. I'm placing the first bet. The color green will make it in the next outcome. So I'm going in with 50k, but definitely color green will be the next to come out. So watch, it is very, very, very accurate, easy to predict if you follow this particular pattern. So now I'm working with green first of all. Remember, I told you there are two colors that I'm going to be using in this video. So pay attention, watch closely. Just pay attention to the balance. Remember, you are going to see how you are getting more than 5 times your balance if you use this strategy. Watch. If you look carefully, these are first win. Count with me, keep count with me. This is 1. So I'm repeating the same color green. So this time I'm going all in. So watch. Just pay close attention. So if you look at this statistic, green is the one that is coming up. From the bottom, you find out that it used to be red. So green is the one coming up. Trust me, for every level, for every season, one color must dominate. So how do you get a color that dominates? So that is what you get in the tutorial that follows this particular video. So watch now. Watch, 2+ green will definitely come out in the next draw. Just watch. And that's our second win. I hope you're keeping count. That's our second win. That's our second win. All right, so I'm still repeating the same color, 2+ green. So watch. I'm going all in. Again, just pay attention. So watch. One might think that 2+ doesn't have much odds, but slow and steady, remember, it wins the race. And to all my guys that have subscribed to this channel, I want to say a very heartwarming thank you. I love you guys. You are the best. And if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please do well to subscribe. The world becomes a better place when you subscribe to this channel. All right, so watch this. I don't know if I've kept count, but this should be our 3rd or 4th win. You see, and that was a win. So pay attention. This particular pattern, like I told you, if you notice, it has started changing hands. It used to be red and it came to green. You watch it, look at the strategy. So usually green will get twice and it will cut, but until I started, it was going consistently. You get, so I'm going to use this frequency table to also determine what will be next. So from this frequency, from my strategy, from the pattern I'm working with, after this, I'll switch to another color because I have gotten a pointer. So this particular strategy shows you a pointer. Every other pattern might come out and you feel like, okay, is it not how you did this one? You did it, the other, you do this one. No, they are totally different. Okay, so they are pointers. When you get to these pointers, you are able to analyze what color to come out. So I'm switching to the next color, and it's color blue. Just focus, pay attention, focus on the balance and count with me. So green had stopped. So the next signal that is becoming active is blue, and that is what we'll be working with. So we'll roll over this blue color for 4 to 5 times, and you will see that this strategy is effective. A number will be on your screen. WhatsApp that number. You can call the number just to get the exact same strategy that will give you the same result. So watch. This is our first win in blue, you see? So this is our first win in under blue. We are repeating the same color. Blue will go again. This is actually my lucky color in this bet zero because blue is the bomb. So I'm going again. It's blue. Just watch. This is mind-blowing. It is crazy how this pattern works. So if you get in the right time, because it's not even every time that this works, you might come in and be like, okay, since she did it this way, I know what she did, let me just do it that way. No, you might, there are times you get. So you have to pinpoint these times. That's why they are pointers. That's why they are strategies. That's why it's a pattern. You have to be on the look for something. When you see that particular thing, you know when to engage in this particular game. So watch. This will be the second win in blue. You see, and that was a win. I'm going again. Same blue as always. So watch this game. I'm going in with blue again. Pay attention. We started with 100 and now it is 600 plus. So watch. It is going to be blue. Definitely. No doubt about it. So watch. Pay attention. Just pay attention. Blue. Blue. Watch this. Just watch. And that's a win, people. That is a win. You see? You see that? So we are still going to roll over. The same blue. Just watch. Blue will come out again. Alright? So watch. Blue will come out again and again and again. So I'm going again with blue. So pay attention. Like I said, and I'll still repeat, subscribe to this channel. Like this video, share it. Watch. I'm going all in. Just pay attention. And it is the color blue. That's another win. That is a striking win. All right. So you see, this is a very, very remarkable game. It goes on and on. So for my final game, let me just play a final game and that will do it for us. So this will be the last game and you will see. Like this video, share it, WhatsApp the number on your screen to get a hold of this particular strategy. You don't want to miss out on this. You don't want to let this go. As it is hot, you have to get it. So watch. I'm staking this all. For my final game, I'm going all in. Just pay close attention. Pay close attention. And this is our final win. You see that? You see that? So this is for the game. I could go on and on. I could even go for another one, but because of time, thank you all so much for subscribing. To my subscribers and those yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe to this channel. The network is not even letting me go on and on. You see? So I would have gone one more, but because of time and network, please subscribe to this channel. Like this video, share it. Do not fail to subscribe to this channel. It's still your favorite girl, Cindy Virtuals. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking this video. And thank you for sharing it. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.